It's a WorldCare recycling revolution, and we want you to be a part of it. Everybody wins.
For many companies, it's become increasingly difficult and expensive to manage recycled products. Recycling programs can cost millions of dollars in operational expenditures, materials, transportation, storage, and processing fees with minimal options. Many companies donate to charitable organizations with good intentions, but most nonprofit organizations have little or no infrastructure to properly handle sensitive or proprietary products. As a result, donated products are often mismanaged, improperly processed, purchased by for-profit brokers, sold on the web, or placed into the wrong hands, compromising a company's technology and security. In contrast, WorldCare's recycling revolution provides a positive, secure, cost-efficient, sustainable, and scalable recycling process that results in helping people in crisis every day. For nearly 20 years, WorldCare's primary focus has been to create and implement visionary programs that educate communities, improve support for humanity, and preserve our Earth. Driving on our experiences and expertise in supply chain management, disaster response, and humanitarian aid assistance, WorldCare developed a suite of highly efficient, transparent, and cost-effective programs. Programs that provide resources to individuals in crisis, support the elderly, provide educational support with refurbished computers and books, distribute school supplies to students every year, build health clinics around the world, and quickly respond to disasters locally, nationally, and internationally. Our ability to help is all because organizations like you have committed to donating their unwanted supplies to WorldCare Recycling Revolution. The WorldCare Recycling Revolution model consists of the committed working relationship between a nonprofit, corporations, and governments that provide a complete range of services never seen before. The WorldCare Recycling Revolution goes far beyond and saves you time and money in personnel hours, waste processing, shortening shipping distance by having multiple sites throughout the United States. The benefits to you, humanity, and the world are enormous. The positive impact to the environment will minimize carbon footprint, divert toxic products away from our landfills, and decrease as much as 75% of the energy used in mining new materials in comparison to recycling. The positive impact to humanity allows WorldCare to increase its capacity to respond to local community crisis with more resources, respond faster to disasters around the world, send more volunteers to help in humanitarian aid efforts, educate more people in preparedness programs, and protect our environment by preserving our resources, creating tremendous financial advantages for your organization, such as tax incentives. The value of donated products is in the form of cash donation or pound salvage value, transportation costs related to your donation, packing material costs related to your donation, cost savings in storage, transportation, warehouse space, inventory management, low or no cost fees, personnel cost, and security management fees.
So how can WorldCare provide all those benefits to your business? By using a highly efficient and advanced process.
How do you begin? Simply go to worldcare.org, click on Recycling Revolution, and fill out the registration request. WorldCare will contact you to determine which is the most appropriate recycling site to send your donation. Once the donation is received, a tax receipt will be sent to you. For WorldCare, the recycling process begins. Products deemed potentially usable in humanitarian aid are weighed and inventoried for testing. Engineers test and clean all systems. Products that pass inspection are refurbished for WorldCare for humanitarian programs. Computers and electronics that don't pass inspection are designated for total destruction and sent to the breakdown room where volunteers dismantle components for recycling. Components are placed in bins, secured, and stored for the next step in the recycling process, total destruction.
HVF West LLC and affiliates,
one of the largest recycling and reclamation companies in the United States, partners exclusively with WorldCare to recycle materials deemed not usable for humanitarian aid efforts or marked for total destruction. HVF has the most advanced recycling process in the world, holding patents on cutting-edge technology and a multitude of certifications and compliance standards. Security of donated products is a high priority. When total destruction loads are sent, advanced security measures are initiated. Products requiring total destruction include medical research equipment, government airplanes, computers, proprietary technology, and are generally shipped by the donor directly to HVF for recycling. Truckloads of product begin at a digitally recorded weight scale where they are scanned for radioactive or hazardous materials and weighed in. The computer records an image of the driver and documents the weight and time of delivery. Once offloaded, the truck returns to the scale empty to determine actual net load weight of the product being processed. Products are then triaged to determine specified processing and are placed in bins for pre-sorting. Materials travel on conveyors through a multitude of shredders where dirt, metals, plastic, and precious metals are downsized to small, manageable pieces. Further shredding and separation of alloys continue until the product is pulverized beyond recognition. Strict specifications must be met for total destruction certification, which is beyond recognition. Product is then placed into containers ready for the smelter. A final inspection is performed to complete the destruction beyond recognition process, and a certification destruction document is generated. The entire HVF process is managed on-site, securing your products from start to finish. Your organization will receive documents verifying receipt of contribution, value of the product, total destruction verification, and a detailed tax donation receipt.
HVF West LLC and affiliates can manage as much as 1 million pounds of products per day. There are no product donations too big or too small.
Your impact is enormous. Join WorldCare Recycling Revolution and help change the world today.